In this video, I'll show you how to share a reel on Facebook using your phone. Sharing a reel allows you to repost a short video so your friends or followers can watch it on your timeline. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, go to the Reels section or scroll through your feed until you find the reel you want to share. Tap on the reel to open it in full screen. While the reel is playing, look for the share icon on the screen and tap on it. A menu will appear with different sharing options. To share it on your timeline, tap Share to your feed. A new screen will open where you can add your own message or caption if you want. You can write something about the video or leave it blank. Next, check the audience setting at the top and choose who can see the shared reel, such as public or friends. Once everything is ready, tap Post to share it. The reel will now appear on your timeline where others can watch it, like it, and comment on it. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.